Hey everybody, I've got a knife tutorial right for like this. God dang it! About this Spy's butterfly knife and all that. From Food Fortress. This might not even be his, but it's still a butterfly Lego knife. So I'm gonna try and teach you guys some tricks. Like first of one, learning how to do this. Dang it! Alright, I was just having some technical difficulties. So, first is probably the easiest trick you can do. Close. Dang it. So if you don't know how to use the thing I made at all, you can learn doing this. Alright, so what you want to do is, Alright, put your hand like this. You go around like that. Boom. Do that. Closed. It closes it. Or if you switch it the other side and do it, it opens. It's harder, but it still works. But if you switch it really fast, like do this, you can do that. Alright, the next trick I'm about to show you looks hard, but really it's not. Right, so you're gonna want to do this. Like this. It looks cool. It might not even be a trick, it looks cool. And this one is going to be really hard. You're gonna get your hand. These are like beginner's tricks though. You have to like, when it's closed, to try and open it. Dang it. Like, I've only had this thing since 5 minutes before the video I showed you guys. God dang it. Like this, put your fingers in between, put it like this, and then grab it. And then do the same thing. If I can do it. I think I did it. And then just close it regular. So those are the tricks that I know that I can show you guys. Yeah, that was way off. Alright. Peace.